Hello guys, I got another set of beauty gifts and this gift packet is from MATYKO. So let's unbox it. This gift contains one complete set of Jade roller to massage your face, which helps reducing your puffiness and wrinkles and improves circulation and collagen production. I got MATYKO Supreme, which includes one lip scrub and a complete set of lip mask. This gift also includes 24K gold patches for under eye and forehead. So let me explain you in detail. You need to clean your face completely and then scrub your lips with this lip balm for 2 minutes and then apply this lip mask onto your lip. And these gold patches, these two are for under eyes and this one is for head. Leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and then massage your face with these. And for the best result, use this remedy for 3 to 4 times a week. You can get all these MATYKO's beauty product very easily on Amazon.com. I have listed down all the genuine purchase link for these products in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out so that you can get right product and with applicable discounts. Thank you so much. Bye.